Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to make a mixed numeral into a decimal and a percentage. So let's start with an easy one. Let's take the mixed numeral 4 and 1/2. And it's mixed because we have the number 4 and a proper fraction 1/2. So 1/2 is the problem here, because if we just had 4, that would just be 4.0. So the 1/2, well, that's equal to 50 out of 100, or just 5 over 10. And each decimal place, this is the tenths, this would be the hundredths. So 5 out of 10, we just say 4.5, because it's 5/10. Now, if we want to make that a percentage, well, percentage means over 100. So we'd have to multiply this by 100. So it's going to be 450%. And the idea is you just move it 1, 2 over. So let's take another number. Let's try 3 and 7/8. Now, the problem with 7/8 is 8 has to go pretty far out before you get to a clean decimal. So we say 3 would just be 3.0, and 7/8 is like saying 8,750 out of 10,000, or rather 875 out of 1,000. So it would be 3.875. And if we wanted to make this a percentage, again we multiply by 100, we move 2 over, so we get 387.5%. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned how to change a mixed numeral into a decimal and a percentage. Thanks a lot.